Well, here is the food forest after 1,000 mil of rain over the last 5 days or so, since Tuesday. And there's a seasonal creek forming. That's actually the best flow I've seen so far in 4 years. That's amazing. I got a little rainforest creek. If only that creek would flow longer, but as soon as it stops raining, it usually also stops flowing. Yeah, so the swales are holding up really well. That's the highest amount of water they've seen. 1,000 millimeters, like a meter of rain in 5 days. So that's the last swale here. You can see the overflows. I'll show you. So they've actually been well grassed, so you can see the overflow here is working really well without washout, even though there's quite a lot of water going over it. And there's the overflow up there. Also looks like no washout. Yeah, there's just debris, but it's all fine. So food forest is a little wetland. Water going through here everywhere. It's amazing. There's a little jackfruit. One of my jackfruits has 1 million fruits on there, just over there in the far. That's been battered a lot with the wind, but it's hanging in there. Yeah, so water quite deep in the swales. And bananas slightly leaning, but okay. That's the pisang selong. Really yummy banana, but very tall. I was worried that I'm gonna lose them all, but they're hanging in. Okay, well, that's the update. I'm wet enough now. See you later, guys.